This is lam with a la sound. And this is zabar on lam. And we read zabar by opening the mouth and raising the voice. Lam, zabar la. Don't stretch it. Lam, zabar la. No, don't stretch. Lam, zabar la. This is zair below lam. Lam, zair li. We read zair by dropping our voice. Lam, zair li. This is pesh on lam, and we read lam on pesh with pesh by the rounding of our both lips, because we read pesh by the rounding of our lips. Lam, pesh lu. La, li, lu. Don't stretch it. La, li, lu. No, this is wrong pronunciation. La, li, lu. Noon, zabarna. This is noon. And while reading noon, we have to touch our tongue to the roots of our upper four front teeth. Noon, zabarna. Noon, zerni. Noon, peshnu. Na, ni, nu. This is raw. Keep it mind one thing. When zabar and pesh comes on raw, you will read raw in a thick voice. It means full mouth. But when zair comes below raw, then you will drop your voice, but not read raw in a thick voice, in a thin voice. So this is the rule of reading raw. When zabar and pesh comes on raw, we read raw in a thick voice. But when zair comes below raw, then we will read raw in a thin voice. Raw, zabar, raw. With a thick voice. So raw, raw, zabar, raw. Not ra, zabar, ra. No. Raw, zabar, raw. Ra, zair, ri. This is thin because there is a zair below ra. So ra, zair, ri. Raw, pesh, ru. Raw, also we will read thick tone because pesh is present. Raw, pesh, ru. Ra, ri, ru. Ta, zabar, ta. Also we read ta by the tip of the tongue. We touch our tip of the tongue to the roots of upper two front teeth. But we read ta always in a thick voice. Ta, zabar, ta. Ta, zir, ti. Ta, pesh, tu. Not ta, zabar, ta. Ta, zir, ti. Not in a thin voice. It's in a thick voice. Ta, zabar, ta, with a full mouth. Ta, zir, ti. Ta, pesh, tu. Ta, ti, tu. Come to the next. This is dal. And ta, dal and ta has same pronunciation. We have to touch our tip of the tongue to the roots of upper two front teeth. Dal, zabarda. Dal, zerdi. Dal, peshdu. Da, di, du. Ta, zabarta. It's a ta. Ta, zabarta. Ta, zerti. Ta, peshtu. Ta, ti,